So it's a kitchen remodel. All the floors coming all out. We're doing, the basic concept here is all floors. Repair the drywall, do a kitchen, skim coating, and do some electrical. The new layout that we kind of have, of course you're going to create stuff for them, but we kind of talked about doing a kitchen where it has like a pantry here, the fridge on this side, and then we're going to get rid of this and then do another linen closet on that, pantry on that side. We talked about maybe that being a coffee station either over here or over there, so maybe we can give a different design.